Eviction isn't just a legal term for being forced to leave your home. It's a life-altering event that creates a lasting burden. Sometimes, eviction happens through formal and complicated court procedures. But more often, it's informal, with many fleeing their homes because they don't know the process or their rights within it. These quiet departures, driven by fear and financial strain, often go unreported, leaving a hidden trail of displacement with negative effects that ripple outward from household to community. Acknowledging the reality of how eviction works is essential to understanding civil court data. It all begins with an eviction notice to the tenant from the landlord. You may be required to file a response depending on your state. Then, a court date is set, and you'll need to make work and family arrangements to be there. At the hearing, a judge decides your fate. After the judgment, there is an appeal period. Tenants may be unaware of or unable to navigate it. Next, you'll receive a writ of eviction, a court order that declares that you've lost your home and have to be gone by a certain date, followed up by a formal eviction notice reminding you of the ticking clock. In some jurisdictions, there is a redemption period, a chance to stay if you pay everything owed. Lastly, the sheriff arrives and removes you from your home. During any of these steps, you can decide to not fight the proceedings and just pack up and go. Many do exactly that without knowing that the court process will continue and likely affect their ability to find new housing. Then there are landlords who don't bother with this lengthy court process. They raise rents, change locks, or threaten tenants to persuade them to leave. Facing eviction is an unsettling experience that can cast a long shadow, leading to homelessness, job loss, health issues, and the breakdown of family stability. Without data that captures informal evictions, we're drastically underestimating the amount of evictions in the U.S. and the number of adults and children negatively affected. It's our mission to gather comprehensive civil court data to help pave a pathway to justice. Go to civilcourtdata.lsc.gov to learn more.